Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking cucumbers. So today is April the 17th, and I checked these this morning, and believe it or not, some of these have already germinated in only 3 days. And I thought I would get this on camera, so I haven't even opened them up. I just held it up to the light, and look at this. This is amazing. So let me see if you can see that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on here. So we have 1, 2, 3 out of 5 that have germinated. Oh, here we go. A little bit of activity right here and a little bit right here. These here, they're basically ready to go as well. So we're going to have 100% success rate with these seeds. So I have some Jiffy pellets here. I'm going to soak these in water, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've decided to come back. I'll show you the process because maybe somebody was yelling at the screen, show us the process. So here we go. Just add some water to any type of container, and then you just grab these and just drop them in. They take about 5 minutes to completely absorb all that water, but once they do, then I'll come back. So here they are. You can see how big they are now. So we've got 1, 2, you can give them a little squeeze if you want, just to get the excess water out. And that's good. So we'll get these open. You really don't want to have these exposed to light very long. That's why I covered them back up before. So just open up a little hole and then grab the seed with the root down and just get that right in there. Hopefully you can see that. Really gentle. That's good. The root's very far down on this one. And then just gently get that around the root. If you want to completely cover the top of the seed, you can. I've never had a problem doing it this way, as long as you get enough of that soil right around. I think this is actually peat moss. Just like that. That's good like that, okay? We'll do another one. And just get him right in there. Feels like I'm doing surgery here. I don't know what it is about gardening, but it's very, very relaxing. It's really neat being able to see something that you've started on your own come to life. There we go. I'll do one more. And then right in. Gentle push, and then just build that soil up. And if you're going to cover the seed completely, do not push down very hard on it, because at this point the plant might have a problem pushing itself up through that compacted soil or peat moss, whatever you choose to use. So that's good, just like that. I guess I'll do the other two. That has a very, very small tail. Just like that. And then this one here as well. Get that in there. And that's good. So these two had the very small tails. So what I'll do to differentiate those, I'm going to just put a toothpick into each one of these so we know that those were the ones that were a little bit on the slow side. Because once you mix these up, you'll never know. So that's just a good way to do it. So that's good. Perfect. So we'll lock this into the books. Today is April the 17th. We started the germination process 3 days ago, which was April the 14th. So these are the starting of the cucumbers. I will keep you up to date with the little video series on these. To make sure that you're up to date, click the notification bell that is right beside the subscribe button, and you'll be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.